know who approved the scripts for these shows, but I don't feel like it was someone who thought knitters would be watching. I feel like after the SciShow debacle, this is a theme for 2025. Episode 1, for me, starts off rough with this quote.
A new generation of knitters are taking the world by storm.
With just 2 needles or a hook, they are testing the limits of creativity.
Like, excuse me, knitting is not done with the hook. I understand this is what's called a cold open, which is like just the very quick beginning of the show where they explain to you the premise and they're trying to jam in a lot of information at once. But the way this is worded makes it sound like knitting and crochet is a difference of tool, which it's not. It actually produces different fabrics. However, it's not until show 2 that we get any clarification on what exactly crochet is versus knitting.
Knitting uses 2 needles to build rows of stitches, while crochet uses a hook to create 1 stitch at a time.
The verbal description, I could nitpick, but I'm gonna let that be, because what in the Finchley graph is this graphic? It looks like it has 4 straight needles in the knitting, and I've never seen a crochet hook that looked like that. It is terrible. I mean, it also just looks incredibly low production, aka cheap. Like, oh my God, I'm offended. I'm offended as a knitter, and frankly, I'm offended as a reality producer.